Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to be showing you how to set your NFT meta asset as your profile picture. But first of all, you're going to have to connect to your wallet. Now, if you don't know how to connect to your wallet, there is a YouTube tutorial on our YouTube channel which will explain how to do that. So after you've logged into your wallet, all you need to do is click here, click on profile, click on settings, and then as you can see, here's your profile picture. So all you need to do is click select from your assets. Select one of your collected assets. I'm going to be selecting the Degen Yuki star slides. After you've done that, all you need to do is click save changes. As you can see, the settings have been saved successfully, and I have my NFT meta asset as my profile picture.